medio or media. Medio, media. It can also be plural, medios and medias, okay? But essentially, medio is masculine, medios is masculine and plural, medias or media is feminine, singular, medias, plural, and also feminine. What does this mean? Let's just go back to medio and media. What does this mean? This word means kind of or a little. Very interesting, very interesting. Let's look at some examples using this word. Okay. Ese hombre está medio loco. Ese hombre está medio loco. This means that man is kind of or a little crazy. Not completely crazy, just a little or kind of crazy. This is a great word if you want to say, not completely, kind of or a little. Ese hombre, ese means that. Ese hombre, that man. Está is medio, kind of or a little, loco, crazy. Okay? Ese hombre está medio loco. That man is kind of or a little crazy. Excellent. We're using medio because we're talking about a man who is crazy. So masculine, and also we have here masculine adjective, loco. Okay, feminine, loca. That's the feminine form. Locos, plural, masculine. Locas, plural, feminine. Okay, so that man is not completely crazy, just a little bit. That's the meaning of this sentence. The next one, me siento media cansada. Me siento media cansada. Okay? Me quedaré en casa. Me siento media cansada. Me quedaré en casa. This means I feel kind of or a little tired. I'll stay home. Very simple, nothing too complicated. And I love this word because if you don't feel completely something, tired, crazy, happy, I don't know, you can say medio or media. It works really well with adjectives. So you say medio and then the adjective. Media cansada, media enojada, or medio cansado, medio enojado, medio loco, media loca. Okay, so remember to match the gender, the grammatical gender. Medio masculine, media feminine. Okay, so let's break this down. Me siento, I feel, yo me siento, I feel. We don't need yo all the time. Just remember that. We don't need it. You can just have it there in your mind, but don't say it all the time. Yo me siento, I feel, media, kind of or a little, cansada, well, this is the adjective and it means tired, and I'm saying cansada because it's the feminine form of cansado. cansada, media cansada. We have feminine here, and feminine, the adjective is also feminine, okay? Me quedaré, yo me quedaré, I will stay. We don't need yo again here. Yo me quedaré or me quedaré, I'll stay. En casa means at home, but when you say me quedaré en casa, it's very similar to saying I'll stay home. Okay? So very interesting how medio and media works. Or work, because they're two different ones. No, they're not different. One is masculine, one is feminine, but you know what I mean. Medio, media, they both mean kind of or a little. Okay, so just keep that in mind, and yeah, it's a great term to learn.